reading The History of Money. The History of Money. The genre of this story is expository text. Genre, expository text. What are the features of the expository text? Number one, expository text explains facts and information about a topic. Expository text explains facts and information about a topic. Then, it includes text features. It includes text features. What are our evidence for this? Number one, we said that expository text explains facts and information about the topic. What's this topic in this story? This topic is the money. So, the story, the history of money, gives facts and information about the kinds of money and that have been used throughout the history. Next, we said that it includes text features. What are these text features? Number one, headings. When we start reading the story, we will find that we may face most of the topics. You will find titles before each paragraph in the story. And these headings explain what kind of information is in each section of the text. Next, you will find glossary. Glossary that defines words that are important to the topic. It lists the words in alphabetical order. And you will find this glossary when we start reading.
Genre, expository. The History of Money, a painting of a commercial center in Beijing, China in 1840.
Why money is considered valuable. Why money is considered valuable. Money is considered valuable because it's hard to get. Because it's hard to get. Then we have another type of or another kind of currency, which is bartering. Bartering. What's bartering? Bartering is a way of paying for things you need. Instead of using money to pay for things, people traded goods such as goat, milk, or rope. Again, this kind of trading or this kind of currency, we don't use currency itself or we don't use money. We use other things. Look at this picture. You will find here one of them wants to sell banana and other wants to buy books. Bartering and trading. You will exchange things with things.
What makes money valuable? If you think about it, a dollar bill is only a piece of paper. You cannot eat, wear, or live in a dollar bill. So why do people want it? Think about the proverb, money doesn't grow on trees. Money is considered valuable because it is hard to get. What makes money valuable? If you think about it, a dollar bill is only a piece of paper. You cannot eat, wear, or live in a dollar bill. So why do people want it? Think about the proverb, money doesn't grow on trees. Money is considered valuable because it is hard to get. Bartering. Imagine you're a goat herder visiting a marketplace in China in 1200 BC. The merchandise being sold around you ranges from cattle to tools. Suppose you need to purchase a piece of rope. How will you pay for it? The goats you own are your sole source of income, so you would not want to trade a goat for the rope. The goat is too valuable. Instead, you might trade goat milk for the rope. This system of economics is called bartering. But what if the rope merchant does not want goat milk?
early currency. Cowrie shell. What's the cowrie shell? Like what's clear in the picture, cowrie shell is the first currency system in China. Okay. Our question is, why did people prefer to use cowrie shell as currency instead of cattle and goods? Simply because cowrie shell were lightweight, durable, and easier. It's easy to carry cowrie shell than to carry a goat. Number two, because cowrie shells could be easy to buy many things. But if you use your goat to buy something, you will buy only one thing.
Early currency. No need to cry over spilt milk. Luckily, you sold some goat milk earlier in the day in exchange for 10 cowrie shells, the first system of currency in China. You hand 2 cowrie shells to the rope merchant and put the rest in your pocket. This is a much easier way to buy and sell things. Cowrie shells are lightweight, durable, and easier to take with you than a goat. The idea of currency is catching on around the world in Thailand, India, and Africa. You decide to save your extra shells until you have enough to invest in another goat. You will be spending cowries with the expectation that another goat will pay off later, since you can drink or sell the milk it produces. Taking this type of business risk makes you an entrepreneur.
New kinds of currency. New kinds of currency. And if you remember at the beginning of this session, we referred to the glossary. This is the glossary. This is the glossary. You will find here most definitions of the idioms that are related to the money. Okay. New kinds of currency. Salt is used as a form of currency. This is one kind. Another one, metal coins. And these metal coins were varied in shape and size. They have different shapes and sizes. Coins made from precious metals like silver or gold.
New kinds of currency. If you were at a marketplace in Rome around 900 BC, you might have used salt as a form of currency. The idiom, to be worth one's salt, is still used today. Another form of currency, metal coins, first emerged in China around 1000 BC. Coins varied in shape, size, and worth. By the 7th century BC, coins made of precious metals such as silver and gold became popular in Europe and the Middle East. These coins were usually round. After being weighed on a scale to determine their value, coins were stamped with designs that stated their worth. Glossary of money terms. Bartering. Bartering. Trading by exchanging food, services, or goods instead of using money. Currency. Currency. Any form of money that is used in a country. Economy. Economy. A system or method of managing the production and distribution of money, goods, and services. Marketplace. Marketplace. A place where food and goods are bought and sold, or the world of business, trade, and economics. This painting shows a scene from a typical 19th century Italian market.
Paper money. Paper money. What are the reasons to use paper money? Why did people use paper money? Because coins are so heavy. If you remember that we said that coins were made of precious metals such like silver or gold, and these metals are so heavy. And at the same time, these metals, we have metal shortage, that it's difficult for them to find these kinds of metals. So people use paper money. How can we tell the value of paper money today? How can we tell the value of paper money today? If you look at the picture, we find each paper has a number. So we can tell the value of paper money today by reading the number printed on it. By reading the number printed on it.
Paper money. Carrying a bag of coins can be heavy. The weight of coins and a metal shortage are two reasons the use of paper money developed in China in the 10th century. The earliest European paper money appeared in Sweden at the beginning of the 17th century. Italy started to use paper money about 90 years later. Paper money originally represented the gold or silver a person had in the bank. Today, we can tell the value of paper money by reading the numbers printed on it.
Modern money. In today's global economy, exchanging money electronically is common. In today's global economy, exchanging money electronically is common. Like this picture, we use cards. Many people use a credit or debit card to make digital transaction. Many people use a credit or debit card to make digital transaction. Numbers on computer screen represent dollars or cents, but no actual paper money is exchanged. Numbers on computer screen represent dollars or cents, but no actual paper money is exchanged.
Modern money. In today's global economy, exchanging money electronically is common. Many people use a credit or debit card to make a digital transaction. Numbers on a computer screen represent dollars and cents, but no actual paper money is exchanged. As easy as it is to spend money today, saving money is important. When considering spending money, think of the famous proverb, "A penny saved is a penny earned."
Finally, we have some proverbs that are related to money. Money proverbs. Number 1, a penny saved is a penny earned. A penny saved is a penny earned. This idiom means that saving money now is like earning extra money for something later. This idiom means that saving money now is like earning extra money for something later. Next proverb. To be worth one's salt. To be worth one's salt. This idiom describes a person who deserves to pay he or she receives, or someone who is worth the cost. This idiom describes a person who deserves the pay he or she receives, or someone who is worth the cost. Last one, money doesn't grow on trees. Money doesn't grow on trees. This idiom means that money to be earned requires a lot of effort. This idiom means that money to be earned requires a lot of effort. Thank you.